Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. So you can see that we are staying at this place. So it is just vegetable market. It is situated in Kumarkheli. So
Actually, I have some question to you at this moment where we are staying. Tell something about this
At
environment.
first I will some questions to you. So please hear my speech. That sir, how do you do?
Alhamdulillah, I am great. What about you?
I'm fantastic at this moment. So what are you feeling now at this moment? Please tell me.
Actually, I am feeling so much because already we have come at a place. It is just a vegetable market and it is situated in Kumarkhali. And as you can see, there are many different kinds of vegetable and already many people have come here to buying and selling. So do you like any kinds of vegetable? As you can see that many different kinds of vegetable. And I think that it is very suitable place to buy different kinds of vegetables. So tell something about this environment.
Sorry.
So do you need any? Do you need to buy any vegetable from this market?
Yeah, of course. Sorry, we have to come and we have come here to buy our necessary things and necessary vegetable. For this reason, we have come here.
Already, I want to know that what kinds of vegetable will you buy from this market? Besides,
I will buy my necessary vegetable and please tell me.
actually, we can see that there is a little shop and it is furnished by watermelon.
Oh yeah.
And as you can see that there are many different kinds of fruits. In all the fruits, watermelon is one of them. So do you like to eat these kinds of fruits?
We can see some watermelon. Yeah, of course, obviously. I like it.
How tasty is it? I want to know about it.
It tastes is very fantastic.
Very fantastic.
Yeah.
As it is time of hot day and weather condition is very hot. So majority percent people to like buy these kinds of fruits and to eat these kinds of fruit. Will you buy these kinds of fruits from these shops?
Sorry, I will not. Sorry to say that I will not buy any these kinds of fruit.
So what things will you buy from here? Tell something.
Only I will buy only vegetable.
Vegetable.
Yeah.
Let's go. At first we will buy our necessary vegetable from this vegetable market.
Hey,
after that
actually,
we
will
know
buy-
and
will
we will
buy-
observe what
yeah.
the situation.
Will you buy your necessary things and necessary vegetable?
Actually, I have no necessary things that which will I will buy from this market. Already I have come here to observe of the situation in this market. As you hello guys, those who are watching this video, actually you can see that there are many different kinds of vegetable and suitable vegetable. And if you need any kinds of vegetable, you can come here to buy this vegetable from here. And now you can see that a person is staying with me. Actually, he is my student. He studied in Kumarkhali at Pilot School. Already we have come here to practice our speaking so that we can improve our speaking system. What do you think about my speech? That it is right or wrong?
Your speech is absolutely right. So
Absolutely right.
I agree with you.
Actually, we know that practice makes a man perfect. For this reason, we have come here and we are practicing so much. And there is no man who will develop his condition without practice. As it is, English is an international language, so we cannot develop our language without practicing.
Yeah.
So, not
Actually,
more longer. Already we have
you know
reached.
that practice maximum perfect.
Yes, obviously. Already we have reached at the end corner of this vegetable market. Now we will start to buy our necessary vegetable from this market and we will not longer our video. See you again anytime, any new video, in any new video. Stay well, stay safe. Inshallah, দেখা হবে next video তে.
All the best.